In today's video, I'm going to teach you mastering Microsoft Loop, the voting table. The voting table is a lightweight, collaborative way to collect preferences and make decisions fast. It's a Loop component that you can drop into a Loop page, a Teams chat, or an Outlook email, and everyone can vote in real time. Think of it as a shared table where options line up in rows, voters add their input, and your team quickly sees what's gaining momentum. To begin, open Microsoft Loop. You can use the web experience or the Loop app, depending on what your organization provides. Sign in with your work account, and you'll land in a clean, document-like workspace that's built for live collaboration. From here, open an existing workspace and page, or create a new one. A workspace is the container for related pages, so choose the spot where your decision belongs. If you're starting fresh, create a page with a clear title so teammates immediately understand what you're asking them to vote on. As a best practice, make sure the people you want to participate have access to this workspace or page so they can interact with the component. If you're in Teams or the Loop app, place your cursor where you want the voting tool to appear, then type a /. This opens the component picker. Scroll or start typing voting to quickly filter the list and select voting table. The component will appear in line and is ready to use. You'll see a simple table designed for decision making. You can keep it minimal or expand it, and as people engage, everyone will see updates instantly. When you're working directly in a Teams chat, there's another quick way. Below the message box, click the loop icon to open the component gallery, then choose voting table. It will insert right into your message as a live component. Send it, and participants can vote without leaving the conversation. Behind the scenes, it's the same loop component, so any changes in Teams also reflect on the loop page. You can also use the voting table in Outlook. In a new email, go to the Insert tab, select Loop Components, and pick Voting Table. This embeds an interactive table your colleagues can use directly from their inbox. Keep your subject and prompt clear so recipients know exactly what they're voting on, and keep options concise to encourage quick responses. No matter where you insert it, the voting table stays synchronized across Loop, Teams, and Outlook. It's a simple, transparent way to capture opinions, compare options, and move forward together. Give it a try the next time your team needs to choose, prioritize, or align on what matters most.